Enough stuff, Abby. What is that? Crab?
Crab, yeah.
Oh my god! Look at it! That's a huge crab.
Sea crab, eh?
Let me go.
That's a huge crab.
One crab that big, sir?
Look at the crab. Ew. Okay, we're going to the river. Today is river setting. So this phone just so close. I don't know why it has to be all up in my face. But today we're just gonna take some pre-men. So I go build our vibes at the river. Just hang out and chill for a bit. Oh my god, my background is always all over the place. Please excuse that closet right there. Yeah, so we're going to the river today to just take a little wash off, and that's about it. So I'm gonna just bring you guys along with me because I don't really go out very often. So when I do, I think I should do a little vlogging to let you guys see a bit of Jamaica, all those who aren't from Jamaica. My face is getting so fat. I need to go to the gym. Yeah, I need to go to the gym. I'm getting so fat. But yes, good food, Jamaican food, I fat up my face. But I feel control it right now. Oh my god, look at my edges, guys. Check out my edges. Anyways, back to what we were talking about. So I'm going to the river today, guys, and I'm going to just take you guys along with me so you can see a little river water. Still waiting from Zara. I think she's in Mars right now. She'll probably get back, maybe, I'm not sure, because I guess she has no signal. That's why we're not getting any of her videos. We don't know, but we'll hopefully in the future she'll be giving us a little bit of herself. But until we get to the river, guys, I'll see you soon. Alright, so when we reached the Salt River, and this is located in Old Harbour, by the way, the water was so dirty. We did not want to go in that dirty water, so we decided to say, you know what, let's just go to Hellshire. So off to Hellshire we went. Grandma's chilling. So we're at the beach now, guys. We were supposed to go to the river, but the river was too dirty. So now we're at the beach. We're at Hellshire. Hellshire. There is my family right there. My uncle. And my goddaughter and her mother and sister. And my grandma. Grandma's chilling, relaxing, taking in the nice salt water. So you won't see me that much because I wasn't dressed for the beach. I was not dressed.
Can't dive in it, what is this so come? Yeah, get to dive.
To the bike? Hello. Abby's making, I don't know. Grandma, find a new friend.
Malika, don't do that! Hey! Come here!
Daddy.
Come here! Malika, no!
Go on for the next one.
Go on for the next one.
That was by 2 days.
You what? I forgot that person. What does that say? Do not move stone, throw in water. Abby! 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 There's Abby right there.
Let me come up here, stop. Let me come up here, stop. Malika, come up here.
Take your time.
Having lunch.
Don't put so much in your mouth. Do not put so much in your mouth. Just a little bit in your mouth. One.
Lunchtime. KFC chicken.
Come on, Jamaica do that.
What's yours?
Ketchup on it. That's a few.
How is this man? Like a big man.
Take your time.
Leave it now, be.
Alright, here one.
Having some KFC chicken. Barbecue flavor. So good.
That's not your own, Abby.
Alright, more beautiful.
Take away my shoe.
Yes, you didn't drink it. Oh, you have it. You drink it off.
No.
Right?
You give me one right here.
Alright,
so.
that's too much. What's about food?
It's terrible. I could never eat those fries. I can't cold fries. They must be hot and crispy. So I'm chilling. Eating some fried chicken. Abby, how does all the chicken taste? How it taste? Tastes good? Okay. A fish over there? Mr. Over there? Yeah, look over there.
Not down.
The spotty one.
What kind of fish is that?
Butterfish. A butterfish.
Alright. No. I see a butterfish
Let's do some
through the eyes.
Eh?
Through the eyes, they can then.
The blue one there, no?
Come on.
Good son.
Can't get away up there.
Fisherman coming from sea, selling some fish.
Them fish are good, you know. What's the name again? What name? Red snapper. Lisa. Lisa. You want the red snapper? No? Take out the red snapper out there. You know what? Get it over. Sorry. That one.
Abby, you want to see the fish?
Come on, next one. The green one, the green one, the green one.
Come, let me show you. Come, let me lift you. Look at the fish. Here is a lot of fish.
Them go bite you.
Yes, they will.
And then we'll jump out of the pool.
Come, you want to go down? Look at the lobster, Abby. What is that, crab?
Crab, yeah.
Oh my God. Look at it. That's a huge crab.
Let me go.
That's a a huge crab.
One crab that big, sir?
Look at the crab.
They're not alive, they're dead.
I don't think so.
They're dead.
It looks like a woman. I don't know one.
Come, do the shaky. Do the shaky waist for me. Shaky, shaky waist. Abby, do the dance for me now. That's the dance. Hey. Abby, the boat is coming. Shaky. Nice Sunday evening, a cool afternoon. Nobody wanna work, no, nobody go to school. Sit down in the